Hello, friends. Here, stopping by to provide you with some information, taking a little bit of my time to share and, possibly educate. And so that when that time comes that you have to, figure out what you're going to do, you actually have a plan of action that is not going to totally, break the bank or, make you have to take um, really decisions that nobody should have to take, like selling your home, like giving up your lifestyle because there was no life insurance. So today I'm here representing many companies. I'm an independent um, life insurance, home insurance, auto insurance, business insurance broker. So, independent insurance broker is really the term for it. I provide information of products that you need to have for the what if, because that is what insurance is being covered for what if something happens. So if your home burns, you need to have a policy that is going to rebuild your home, that isn't just going to rebuild your four walls, but it's going to look the same it did before the fire. And it's going to provide for funds that will allow you to go and live either in a rental home or a hotel, or provide for whatever housing you need to have while that home is being repaired and brought back to its old glory. So with that, same thing with your auto. If you have an accident, you should have a policy. And I say should because a lot of people think that because they have a full coverage policy, they have all these things. So not all full coverage policies come with these perks, because really at the end of the day, they are perks. They don't come automatic. They're not built into your policy. You have to buy those options. So if you want to be able to have a rental car, you need to select that option. If you need to be able to get your car towed to the yard, to the repair shop, or to your home, you need to have that option. It does not come built into the policy. So those are options that you need to have. And well, you need to make sure that that full coverage policy is going to cover more than just the minimums that the state requires, because you can have a full coverage policy and only have $5,000 in property damage. So just because you have a deductible on it, that makes it a full coverage policy. So first thing I would say after you watch this video is sit down, look for that policy, go over it, and call your agent or call me. Whatever your options are, you need to take action, because if you find that those three numbers are 1535 or 153010, that means you are running around with minimum coverage. So, and of course, if you don't have a rental and you don't have towing, you're going to be spending extra money, because that rental is going to cost you minimum $50 a day, and it's coming out of your pocket. That towing truck is it can cost you, $150 minimum out of your pocket to $600 for them to tow you to your home or to the repair shop or wherever it's going to go. Where if you have it built into your policy, it's either going to be a sign and drive, or you're going to be paying, 40, $50 at the time of disablement. So, those things are very, very important. And here at Olga Huerta Insurance Agency in Sanger, we pride ourselves in providing the information required, needed, and not just, sign you up and here you go, sign here, bye-bye, No, we're here to serve you. We want you to be able to have the best experience whenever something happens. So if I need to drive out to your home and help out with the inspection, if I need to call the towing truck for you, everyone who has a card from me, they have my cell phone, not just the office number. So please take the time, review your policies. Make sure that you have the time the information, not the time, the information that you know that when you signed that policy to buy it for that $35 a month, you knew what you were buying, not just, oh, well, I have full coverage. Well, a blouse can be full coverage. It can be a tank top. It can be just a little t-shirt. It can be a 3/4 sleeve blouse, or it can be a long sleeve blouse. It's still a top. It doesn't cover as much. And that's the same thing with your policy. So need to pay attention to those numbers, those 3 numbers that identify your coverages for personal injury and property damage. So make sure you ask the questions. That agent who sits across from you, whoever's putting your application together, has the information. It is your right to ask for it. So please make sure that you're out there well covered, not just with a policy, not just the minimums. We're all in a hard economy, but that economy is going to get a lot worse if you don't have enough coverage and you cause an accident. And then you're driving around with $5,000 of property damage. Guess what? Your car is not going to get fixed. And you're going to get sued because that's not going to be enough to fix the other guy's car. So make sure you take the time. Make sure you, if you don't want to call your agent, because when you look at your policy, you're going to be upset because, he didn't sell you the best thing that he could have. Well, give me a call. Olga, we're at the insurance agency in Sanger, 559-399-3619. We're located in the heart of Sanger at 1533 7th Street, Suites 401 and 408, and we'd love to have your business. So give us a call. Stop by anytime. See you soon.